Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another quick tutorial. I'm feeling these videos because I've been playing with makeup a lot recently. Colors, neutrals, new palettes, old palettes, and I came up with this makeup look yesterday. So I went, let's film a tutorial, speed through it, show you all the products, keep it short and sweet. So if you are interested in this tutorial, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're about to get straight into it. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. I hope you did enjoy it. And if you did, I hope you decide to click on the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. All the makeup products for this makeup look can be found down below. And if you're interested in any of my previous or future makeup looks that is not tutorial related, you can find it on Instagram, where I take a photo of the look and then place all the makeup products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.